My love, good morning, guys. So, I want to make breakfast this morning and I forgot we have no egg. I want to make yam and egg for breakfast this morning. So, I totally forgot that our egg has finished. So, I want to go to the next village to get at least a crate or half, depending on how much they are selling it there. So, and I'm going to get pepper also. So, let's go together. Hey, Carol. I believe you. Pay for that night change. Ah. 500 naira. Ah, 1,000 naira. Go. Also, shall I go collect the five egg like that? You don't get at all. He said, can't even direct me come here. But last night, even direct me go there. Say. Oh yeah, 4 eggs. How much did you see your Costa biscuits? I don't take them. Wow. So guys, I just finished spreading the clothes on the line, and that is not all the clothes in the washing machine. I still have so much. I'm going to put the clip here. Like, I still have so much in the washing machine that are still wet, or the rice is semi-wet, because the dryers, the washing machine dryer has already squeezed the water from it. So hopefully the one on the line, if the sun come out and it dried fast, I'm going to spread some more, because I have like 3 bed sheets in the washing machine that I haven't spread at all. And the first part is that I was only able to spread my children's clothes, not all of their clothes, so some of their clothes. Only have my husband's clothes and mine as well in the washing machine. I don't know why. Our light has been 40. That is one of the reasons why. And whenever the light is 40, I don't like using the washing machine, because to me it's always come out unclean. No matter how long I wash it, it's always come out not clean to my taste. So, and when it's like that, I just pile up the clothes till when NEPA brings the light, or I call someone to come and I pay someone to come and wash it for me. So that's it. Aroko. Mama. Mama. Say hello. this again. Clothes I just spread for outside. See, it's raining a little bit. I'm just gonna wait a few minutes, and if the rain becomes heavy. So guys, it has stopped raining again. So I'm sitting in my veranda, still looking at the sky. See, this thing, it's drizzling again. This is why God, this is one of the things I hate during rainy season. And my issue is that once I pack those clothes inside, there is no way they are coming, like maybe tomorrow, but not today. And as I'm looking at this rain, it will not. God, let me go. This is becoming serious.